Okay, progress on our Sensation Model 1. Don't need that anymore. Had to copy that to the D drive. We have an 8 gig compact flash in here. Finally got the system up and running. And if you can hear that,
to your entire family. There are games of strategy and luck, plus access to
all the sound files and everything is on the, configured to be from the D drive, which of course in this thing with a little 100 meg C that it came with, everything is, wanting to access the D. So I just copied the whole CD over to the D drive. We got an 8 gig compact flash in there with 4 2 gig partitions, so space is not an issue at all. And so Deskmate up and running, and as well, the next thing to go in is one of these bad boys. Got a DX4100, and pretty sure that's a Gainberry overdrive. This thing has a 66 in it, and so we'll see how that does. And then possibly a video card, because what we have right now is onboard Western Digital SVGA, and the monitor plug on the back of this thing is actually proprietary and has a plugged hole, so you can't just plug any old monitor into it. Another one of the reasons Tandy went down.